We're going to look at 3 rules when dealing with exponents. The first one is when you are multiplying powers with the same base. Here we have 5 to the exponent 2 multiplied by 5 to the exponent 4. 5 to the exponent 2 is just 5 times 5, and 5 to the exponent 4 is just 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So when you expand the whole expression, you see that you're multiplying 5 by itself 6 times. So if we want to rewrite this as a single power, we can write it as 5 to the exponent 6. Let's try another one. Here we have negative 2 to the exponent 5 times negative 2 to the exponent 2. If we expand that out, we have negative 2 multiplied by itself 7 times. So that means there are 7 factors, which also means we can write this as a single power, negative 2 to the exponent 7. I want you to notice the pattern here. If you look at our first example, the exponents are 2 and 4. When you add those together, you get 6. In the other example, the exponents are 5 and 2. When you add those together, you get 7. So as a general rule for multiplying 2 powers with the same base, you simply add the exponents. Now let's look at dividing powers with the same base. Our first example, we have 5 to the exponent 6 divided by 5 to the exponent 2. Here I've written the numerator and the denominator in expanded form, and when I simplify this expression, I can cancel those 5's out, and these ones also cancel out. And the number of factors that are remaining after I simplify is 4. So left over, I have 4 factors, which means I can rewrite this as a single power, 5 to the exponent 4. Now what's the pattern? Take a look at the exponents, 6 and 2. If you subtract those, 6 minus 2, you end up with 4. So as a general rule for dividing 2 powers with the same base, you just have to subtract the exponents. And the last rule we will look at is a power of a power. So this is when you're raising an exponent to an exponent. Here we have 5 to the exponent 3 to the exponent 2. So just remember, we are going to multiply 5 to the exponent 3 by itself 2 times. So that's 5 to the exponent 3 times 5 to the exponent 3. And remember, every 5 to the exponent 3 is just 5 times 5 times 5. So when I write it out in expanded form, I can see that I'm multiplying 5 by itself 6 times. So I have 6 factors, and when I write it as a single power, it's 5 to the exponent 6. And of course, there's a pattern that we can look for. The exponents are 3 and 2. When you multiply those together, you get 6. So in general, for simplifying a power of a power, you multiply the exponents.